So the greatest collaboration of all time has came. XLeads and ISpeedtoLead. And the best part about it is you're going to be able to get $24 coupon club leads by just having ISpeedtoLead. That's right, $24 coupon leads only for people that have an active XLead subscription. Every single PPL influencer is going to cry and try to tell you this isn't real, but it is. And guess what? Every single person that has an active XLead subscription, all you have to do is, I'll show you exactly what you have to do with the XLead subscription, and you can get $24 coupon clubs. The best part about this, it's retroactive. So right now, if you have, let's say, another wholesaling software, and you are buying PPL leads from ISpeedtoLead, all you have to do is jump ship, sign up to XLeads, and you are going to be able to retroactively have your $29 coupon leads grandfathered in at 24. That's how easy it is. So make sure you cancel any software you have, go straight to ISpeedtoLead and XLeads and start getting $24 leads. Now, you might be like, Zach, what happened? I thought you were talking about, PPL's bad. I said, quote, if PPL could be 25% cheaper or just way cheaper, the ROI goes from a 7x all the way to a 10x. And ISpeedtoLead said, hey, XLeads is amazing. I started talking to Gene, and holy moly, you saw this on the launch. That changed everything. He's like, wow, this is going to make the world way easier. You're actually going to get a higher ROI on PPL. People are already doubling their ROIs using XLeads. So it goes from a 7 to a 10x with how good XLeads is and how amazing of a discount ISpeedtoLead is giving. Because you're going to discount because you're going to make way more money with ISpeedtoLead Coupon Club while having XLeads. So you are going to have a 10x ROI on average by getting the $24 leads and actually having an amazing CRM like XLeads. Comping all of it for only $97 a month. I mean, all you have to do is if you're buying 20 Coupon Club leads every single month, the savings of just having XLeads at $97 a month makes it a break even. Then if you're buying 40, you're saving hundreds of dollars a month, if not thousands over the year. So how do you get this amazing deal? All you have to do is just log into your XLeads account. So if you don't have XLeads, go to xleads.com. While you're logged into XLeads, all you have to do is just scroll down here to the PPL tab. Click the PPL tab, and you're gonna have the secret ISpeedtoLead portal. This is the only way you get the $24 pricing, so you have to have an actual XLeads active account. You can't copy this link won't work for you. All you have to do is just scroll down to unlock $24 lead access. Then from there, you're gonna be taken to ISpeedtoLead with the special tracking, and you're gonna be thrown right here into SpeedtoLead. Is it ISpeedtoLead, SpeedtoLead? I'm calling it ISpeedtoLead because that's what the domain dang thing says, and you're gonna be able to have your coupon club access. You have to pay $200 a month, but after that, so you just go to Coupon Club subscription and sign up right there with your card, and then you go back to the lead feed and you start buying leads. Now, one thing I like to do is I like to go in areas that I really, really like. So for example, I love Florida, and I specifically like Indian River County, Brevard County. So if I do Brevard County, Florida, I'm gonna go by status, and I'm gonna press sale leads or coupon club leads. And guess what? Oh snap, $24. Do you see where it says, oh, get this lead for $29? Nah, XLeads got you covered, baby. And this is the best price you're gonna find anywhere else on the internet. No one else can do this because nobody else has the best software for PPL and wholesaling real estate as XLeads. Remember, XLeads is the only one wholesaling software. PPL wholesaling is still a real thing, so we're helping you out. So $24 a lead, go out here and find their deals. So let me tell you a little bit about PPL. I've been diving around and I've been kind of researching, and after going out here, I'm gonna give you my breakdown of what you should be doing. So obviously, don't tell Gene this, but you need to go out here and figure out a couple things. First, you have to ask yourself, where's the lead coming from? Because that is important. Number 2 is the date. And number 3, the motivation. Now, I'll be straight up with you. Vacant property sucks. Not a good deal. Melbourne Beach is not even a good area. So the one thing you can tell here is you want to be able to get leads with good motivations in good areas. Now, we see here there's no orders on this property, sale lead right here, which is great. This is somebody where I don't see any motivation, so I'm probably not too big on it. I mean, relocation's not that big. I like how nobody bought it. This deal predictor is actually really cool, but you gotta remember, when that deal predictor is an A, everyone's buying it. What you need to do is get like low deal predictor AIs in hidden areas of success. So this one, I like how there's no orders done, but still not a big deal. Scroll down here, relocating, I don't like that. Titusville, absolutely terrible market. Don't buy that, trust me. Rockledge is actually a good area, but it's a little more expensive, so don't want to deal with that. I know that's an A, but trust me, that is a bad deal. Mims, I like it. Remember, this is like baseball, right? They're throwing pitches at you. You don't got to swing. So don't swing unless you need to. Right here, selling a vacant one. Maintenance overwhelms okay. Mims is not really a hot market for me. Palm Bay, okay, now we're cooking. Tired of being a landlord is not bad at all. This is from SMS Marketing. This is probably something I'd swing the bat on. Now, the only thing bothering me is this lead is about 7 days old. No, 10 days old as of this recording. Not really worth it. And right here, we're getting a little bad, so I don't want to deal with that. That's why I need kind of a bigger area. Kind of a sooner one's going to be nice. Right when they hit the sale lead, it's going to be nice from active. Let's go to the next one here. Let's do Martin and St. Lucie. Okay, let's look at the newest ones. Okay, Fort Pierce. I generally not a Fort Pierce fan. Vacant property. I don't like Fort Pierce. Palm City. Okay, you own that property. They're selling it because it's non-occupied. Not terrible. Sold comps, I don't like 547. You want to be under 250 to 300 on this. 45, Port St. Lucie's not bad. Retirement, no retirement. Let's add Indian River on here. So this one is going to be the main winner. Nobody bought this lead. It's in Vero Beach, chef's kiss, and sold comps are looking really, really low here. But it's saying it's an owner-occupied property for financial reasons. I really like that. It's not listed. PPC is way higher, and no one's bought this lead for 3 days. So this right here, this is the one to buy. So let's go buy this lead really quick. Buy this one right here. So we're going to pay for it. We just bought a lead. Let's call it together. We are buying an ISpeedtoLead. So we got one. No one's bought this one. So we're the only ones to ever talk to this lead in Vero Beach. And they want to move for financial reasons 3 days ago. And it was a PPC lead.
Okay.
So we're going to pop this up on X Leads and check it out. So looks like it's a vacant piece of land, which the comp showed 30 grand. No big deal. We got plenty of land buyers on here. Now, the cool part about this is this is a vacant land. It did say owner occupied. So technically you could get a refund for this. Don't tell Gene this, but property details said this was fully renovated and all this stuff. Now, here's the cool part about it. Because this was technically owner occupied, maybe it's a mobile home, maybe it's not. We could probably get a really quick refund on this, just telling the user. So it's kind of like a free, I call it a free coupon. Yep. But guess what? We're going to call and try to get the lead and then possibly get a refund of our, I'm not going to get a refund. I'm not going to ask for it. But let's call them right here. We still need to submit proof for calls and SMS working. So they actually have a smart number that you can use it to filter through, which is pretty cool. But I'm just going to call them right here. So 772. All right. Fernando Guerrero. Oh, wow. See, he owns 4 rentals right here. Interesting.
Please leave your message.
Hey, Fernando. This is Zach. Hey, I just saw you filled out a form on my partner's website saying you were looking to sell your property. Looking to buy it. Please give me a call back at your earliest convenience. My phone number is 772-463-0052. Have a great one. So he didn't answer that one, but obviously we are going to go now into X Leads and just put this information in. So we're going to go here to our deal board on PPL, add the opportunity. This was a non-cold call lead, right? PPC. Mm-hmm. So they actually should we need to go to contacts really quick, add a contact. Let's put his name in there. I feel bad for this guy. He's going to get so many follow-ups now. Okay, we got Fernando's info here. Now we're going to throw it on the deal board, PPL, add opportunity. We're going to put Fernando on here. Now Fernando is going to be getting hammered. And do we have an email on here? We do not have an email from him. No big deal. So he's going to be put under the non-cold call lead, no answer. And poor guy, he is going to be getting hammered from our CRM. And here's the thing, if he doesn't answer for 5 days, and no answer, no callback, no text, guess what's going to happen? We're automatically going to be set to send it for a refund.
Perfect.
So that's pretty much how PPL is going to work. And guess what? That won't even cost us any money because if it's the guy says he doesn't want to sell, guess what? We get a refund.
Just an opportunity.
Just an opportunity. So guys, I'm telling you right now, look at the plethora of $24 leads now. Everybody else gets it for $29. 24 only if you sign up for X Leads and use ISpeedtoLead. Go to X Leads, go to the PPL tab, get your $24 leads, and you will have success wholesaling real estate. This is Zakin signing out.
Ricken signing out.
We are now the PPL Bros.